Ever faced a building challenge or problem in your home and wondered who to turn to? Meet Jake, our chartered building surveyor. As a chartered building surveyor, Jake does on-site visual inspection. He carefully evaluates your home or building's built integrity and notes key observations. Is there water ingress? Are there any severe signs of wear and tear? By providing a verbal summary of these findings, Jake helps homeowners understand the inherent conditions of their property. When it comes to planning a renovation or new build, Jake can also conduct a feasibility study. He collaborates with architects, quantity surveyors, and builders to create a spatial layout that maximizes both functionality and aesthetics. This process includes discussing the potentials of the house, the desired spatial layout, the number of rooms able to be created, the maximum gross floor area, as well as construction floor area, ensuring every detail aligns with the client's vision and have the insight to better budget and project management. Considering purchasing a property, Jake's here to help by doing pre-purchase appraisal. Before you make a commitment, he performs a comprehensive site inspection. He examines the condition of the building, identifies any potential red flags, and provides an in-depth assessment to help you make an informed decision. You wouldn't want to invest in a property that comes with unexpected issues. Jake also conducts site walkthroughs, plan reviews, and condition appraisals. During these assessments, he looks for hidden defects, checking everything from structural materials to compliance with safety regulations. His keen eye ensures that any issues are identified early, helping you avoid costly repairs down the line. When disputes arise during renovations and construction, especially when expectations aren't met, Jake steps in as a neutral party. He provides independent reviews and expert witness services, offering unbiased assessments of the situation. For instance, if a contractor overpromises but underdelivers, Jake evaluates the work done against the contract specifications, providing clarity for all parties involved. In legal settings, Jake's expertise is invaluable. He presents clear, factual insights into construction disputes. If a contractor agreed to build a feature wall but failed to meet the specifications, Jake validates the discrepancies based on the contract terms. His testimony can help the court understand the nuances of the situation, supporting homeowners or contractors in their pursuit of fair resolution. Imagine this scenario. A water tank collapses during a family gathering, leading to injuries and property damage. In such cases, Jake investigates the incident to determine if negligence in maintenance occurred. His thorough assessment helps homeowners seek the justice and compensation they deserve, shedding light on accountability in building management. So to recap, a chartered building surveyor can help you with pre-purchase appraisal to identify blind spots, to conduct a feasibility report for your renovation and rebuilding needs, as well as independent reviews and expert witness services to have unbiased inputs on a disputed case. If you encounter building issues or need expert advice, remember, a chartered building surveyor like Jake is here to provide the expertise you need. Reach out to him for reliable guidance and support through your construction and property challenges.